Everyone, welcome to Sāṅketika Visvam. This channel is all about technology, programming, and learning new skills in a simple and easy way. So, if you want to explore, learn, and innovate, make sure to subscribe to our channel. In this video, we are going to explore the Java programming. So, before going to the Java programming, we need to know what is programming. So, programming is a way to instruct the computer to perform various tasks in a specified manner. Next, what is Java? Java is a popular programming language which is created in 1995, which is originally developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems. Now it is owned by Oracle, and more than 3 billion devices uses Java programming. Applications of Java. The Java can be applied in multiple domains like mobile application, desktop applications, web applications, and web and application servers, and game and database connectivity. Why to use Java? So Java is platform independent. That means the Java can be run in multiple servers, operate multiple operating systems like Windows, Mac, and Linux. It is easy to learn and simple to use. It is open source and free. Java is secure, fast, and powerful, and it is object oriented. Features of Java. It is simple to use. That means Java syntax is related to C and C++. That means if a programmer want to switch to Java programming or vice versa, it is easy to learn, and it is secure and object oriented. Java is robust. That means Java uses strong exception handling and memory management. It is portable. That means bytecode, the Java bytecode runs anywhere. Java is write once, run anywhere program. It is architectural neutral and it is interpreted. So this is the Java JVM architecture. So first we compile the Java program. The compiler will generate the source code into bytecode. Then it will send to the JVM. So here the JVM execute the program in any operating system like Linux, Mac, and Windows operating system. Interpreted nature. Java is compiled and interpreted. That means the compiler will generate the bytecode, then the bytecode will be executed by the JVM in any operating system. Write our first Java program which is printing hello world. Here we define the class and the main method. The main method is the starting point of the execution. Here the main method is public static void main. Public is an access specifier, and static is a keyword, void is a return type, and main is a method name. In this main method we are passing string arguments, and then we are we are write a we write a print statement which is system.out.println. We are passing the string as hello world. In the output section we get hello world. Next, executing the Java program. Open Notepad or Notepad++ or any other text editor to write the Java code. Then write the code and save the file with .java extension. Here the file name should be the class name, and open cmd. Use cd to navigate. Here cd means change directory or current directory. Then for compilation we use javac filename.java. For running the Java program we use java space file name. Here Java C is a Java compiler which will compile the Java program and it will generate the bytecode which is printing hello world. To print hello world I have taken Notepad. You can choose Notepad or Notepad++ or any other text editor. So I'm defining my class which is public class main. Here the main is my class name. This in this class I need to define the main method which is public static void main. In this main method, I need to pass string arguments. Then I need to write the print statement, which is system.out.println hello world. Here the system is a class, out is an output stream, and println is a method. In this method, I am printing hello world. So this is the program to print hello world. To execute the Java program, we need to save the file. So I am saving the file with .java extension. Don't remember to save the file with .java extension. So I am saving the file. After saving the file, we need to go to the path where we save the file name. So this is my directory. Go to the directory and then type cmd. After typing cmd, we get the terminal. In this terminal, we need to write two commands. First command is for compilation. The second command is to execute the Java program. So I am writing my first command, which is javac space filename.java. Here my file name is main. You can write your file name. After executing the command, it will allow to write further commands. In case there are any errors in your code, it will give errors. After rectifying the errors, only it will allow you to write your further commands. So in my code there are no errors, so I am writing my further commands. So to execute the Java code, I have already told, use Java space file name. No need to use .java extension. So I am entering my command. Here in the output section, I have get hello world. So this is the process to print a hello world. Types of editions in Java. There are Java SC, Java EE, Java ME. Java SC stands for Standard Edition, Java EE stands for Enterprise Edition, and Java ME stands for Micro Edition. So the Java SC Standard Edition, which is used for developing desktop applications and standalone applications. By using Java EE, we can build banking or e-commerce or web applications, and by using Java ME, we can build coffee machines or ATM machines and micro devices. IDE IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, uh, which helps coding, compiling, and debugging. Example: Eclipse, IntelliJ, and VS Code. So we need to define IDE in simple terms, mm, it will integrate all the development environment in one place. For example, till now we have discussed about how to writing the code and executing the Java code. So for writing the Java code, we have used Notepad, and for executing the Java code, we have used command prompt. But in case of IDE, we don't need to use all these applications. We need to use the single IDE, which can be used for writing and executing and build applications in one place. Conclusion. So Java is a powerful and widely used. It is platform independent and it supports multiple applications. Thank you for watching.